This is the ocean, Susan. She's vast, isn't she? The yellow afternoon hanging low above her is her father. He dreamed of her once, filled with jewels, emeralds, sapphires and diamonds, and she stayed that way. She winks and twinkles for 1,000,000 miles. You've probably dreamed of her as well. Remember the ache you felt in your stem, the small half pains, the yawning itch. It was her voice riding your dream tides. Stretch to her, Susan. Let each new leaf uncurl. One by one, life fingers in a fist, and let your palms be tickled by her green breath. See? That's it. Stretch.